Welcome to Masbate! Hi! Let's eat!
Happy Mother's Day. Adi lang kami. Mangga ka daw.
Personal to see your face light up. She's a lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful up. I want out, chasing out the sunrise from the city to Chattanooga. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. You say you just fly right on and on, we gotta keep it up.
Options from your card.
Welcome to Masbate! Ba't hindi ka surprise? Alam mo no? Siyempre kinag-birthday nila. Alam mo gali? Siyempre, ikaw lang ang makakadi, birthday mo ni Tita. Pero alam mo na si Mama. Dili. Let's eat! We're here at McDo, guys. We're gonna have breakfast. Gusto-gusto na niya na ho. Okay! Hello mga karor! Good morning! So this is Luisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're here at my hometown. So guys, nandito kami sa Masbate. Kasama ko si Mama. So ayan, so kanila lang kami dumating dito around 7 AM. So ayan, nandito rin yung mga cousins ko. So yun guys, magbabakasyon kami dito. Quick vacay lang. So yun, so kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast dito sa McDo. Tapos after, may bibili lang kami, then pupunta na kami sa isla. Kasi isusurprise namin si Lola. So hopefully hindi nyo pa alam. So guys, see you later. Bye! Guys, maulan ngayon dito. And one thing that you'll notice here sa Masbate, ang daming tricycles, guys. Yun yung main mode of transport dito. So, yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, update. So, nandito na kami sa may fish port. Ayan, ito yung service namin papunta sa may isla. Hello mga karor, update. So, nandito pa rin kami sa Fishport. So, yun, babiyahe na kami papuntang Canliba. So, dun kami magsistay sa isla ngayon, hindi sa city. Update ko na lang kayo later. So, yung biyahe is 1 hour. So, see you guys mamaya. Bye! Let's eat! Let's eat! ka. Isa. Ano nanay ka? Isa. Badaw.
Matutla mo naman din sa iyo.
Badaw. Kaya manggali. Ka mga puyo niya sa Disney. Isa. Ha, ta dua.
Taka may kurtina sa ganito.
Hey guys, update. So it's already 11 in the morning. So ayun, kararating lang namin dito sa may Hacienda de Iglesi. So yeah, grabe na surprise kami. So yun, hindi namin alam na kaya pala hindi sila nagsundo kasi sila yung surprise dito sa amin. So yeah, kasi kanina sa video, ang ganda dito guys. Oh my god, look at that oh. Yan yung Minalayo Island. May sariling tawag dyan eh. So So guys, we're waiting for Lola kasi surprise namin siya. So may setup kami ulit mamaya. So let's see kung masu-surprise si Lola. Lola.
Siguro pinaka the greatest blessing of all. Dili ang magkaigwasan ako na negosyo kundi magkaigwasan malipay ng pamilya. So nagkaurusan, that is the greatest blessing mga kapatid. Kaya salamat po sa pagpalaga mo sa amin. Adi kami sa tanang panahon para mag-alaga sa iyo.
Abo ko na magtangis.
Kita mo naman siguro na tulad sa tulad kasakit ka, adi kami pirmi. Kakakita mo na wala ka na dito bayaan.
Hindi mo na matagbuwag pero naging...
Pag-message magkakubali sa lamay.
Mami, na kayo wala pa si Tita Mila. Ikaw ano mo na?
Happy Mother's Day. Adi lang kami. Hanggang karapon. Kaya ayaw pa. Susuko.
Surprise mo na! Mga TV magsiarang te.
Si Janjan.
Here's our food. Yan, multitasking tayo. Happy lunchtime. Gutom ka na, baby? You wanna eat na? Huh? Yeah. Hi, Angel. Hi. Hi. Ganda dito, guys. Yung bahay ng tito ko, ito lang siya. Tapos in front is beach na. Yan, sarap ang swimming. for swim. So, handa tayo. May dala tayo snorkeling set. So, yeah! I'm so excited. Tsaka napakainit kasi kaya mag-swimming na rin talaga. Let's go! With the kiddos. Hanap kami ng picture spot.
She's a lightning mood. Structure, I'm not careful up, I want that. Chasing the sunrise from the city to Toluca. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my light. Don't say you just try. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Let's go!
Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up.
Guys, welcome to the vlog!
Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like buttercup.
Doggles of Candibas.
I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent.
Hi guys! Update! So it's already 6 in the evening. So yun, katatapos lang namin magbanlaw and all. So dito kami muna magda-dinner kila Tito June. Tapos after dinner, pupunta na kami sa may bar yun. Nandun kasi talaga yung bahay namin. Kila Tito June tong bahay na to. Yung may beach front. So yun guys, medyo mainit dito pero at least hindi na siya maulan like kaninang umaga. And hopefully sana in the following days hindi rin maulan kasi syempre more swimming pa rin kami. So yun guys, update ko kayo later. Bye!
When it's time with you, it's so innocent. Through the sky on the back of a Pegasus. Now we can go and let's relax.
Good morning! Ay, naaga. Morning! Hindi pala kami napadpad. Good morning! We're going to our home. Ayan na. Yan yung bahay namin, guys. Morning po. There it is. Ito yung canteen ni Lola. It's closed right now. Bakit na siya ho? Ha? Wi-Fi? Luma na. Yan. Hello mga ka-Roar, good morning. So ito na yung day 2 ko dito sa may amin. So kakapunta lang namin dito sa may Calipas na part kasi kagabi doon na kami nagstay kila Tito sa may kabilang side kasi nga grabe yung ulan kagabi. It's still raining, hindi pa okay yung weather pero hindi naman siya maalon or something like that. Pero hopefully sana later uminit siya para naman mas ma-enjoy pa namin yung stay namin dito. Kasi bukas ay dito go back sa city kasi Monday babalik na rin ako ng Manila for work. So yeah, di ko pa alam kung ano yung gagawin ko dito for today. Pero syempre enjoy with the family na lang muna siguro. So yun, and guys, papakita ko pala sa inyo dito yung main source of income nila dito sa may kaliwas na part ng Masbate. So yeah, let's go. Fishing dito guys, yung main source of income. So ayan, pag umaga madami kayong makikita ang ganyan. And there. Yung mga ano, libod. We call that libod. So, small. Ito yung ano guys, ito yung plaza dito. O, pakita mo yung plaza dito. Ito yung plaza dito sa may samin. So, pwede kayo dito mag-parking. Kaya bakit po? Dali! Morning guys! So, update. Almost 9 AM na. So, the weather's still not okay. Pero ayun lang naman. Hindi naman siya maalon. Pero may mga konting ulan-ulan lang. So, yun. Pupunta kami doon sa may pier. Ayan, tingnan ko lang kung okay pa siya. Kasi, as far as I can remember, nung bata ako, we used to jump over there. Papunta doon sa may dagat. Pero sabi nila sirado daw siya. Pero tingnan ko lang. Mag-reminisce tayo. Let's go! So, ito yung dagat dito guys. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ayun. It's calm. The sea is calm today. So, maganda mag-swimming. So, ayan, ang daming places of swimming. Ayan, sira na nga siya. Hey! Oh. Wow! Ganda! Yan, para pwede pag mag-jump dito. Siguro mamaya I'll try to swim here. There's the view, guys. Ganda! Yan. Woo! Ang galing! Yay! Ayun, leader. Alak is life. Hello mga ka-roar, update. So ayan, medyo okay na yung weather. So ngayon pupunta kami magpapinsan sa may Minalayo Island or Snake Island. So yun, ito lang yung bangka na sasakyan namin. Tapos yung pinsan ko lang din yung mag-drive. Taray na mag-drive, no? So yun guys, update namin kayo later. Bye! Let's go! Oh my God, sana kaya. Lahat naman kami marurunong lumangoy guys. So good luck! Update, nandito na kami sa may Matabaw Island. Dito yung itsura niya sa part na to. Pero ito, medyo may pagka-sandbar na dito. So medyo okay. Hindi kami magsuswimming dito. Dinaanan lang namin siya. Downside nga lang, ang dami niyang basura. Ayan. Kasi syempre malapit sa residential area. Kaya ganun. Okay.
Dito po tayo ngayon sa Iceland. Iceland.
So guys, yeah, negative pala ang Minalayo Island kasi medyo maalon at maliit lang kasi yung sa bangka na nadala namin. So, yun, medyo delikado kasi medyo marami kami sa boat. So, yeah, punta na lang kami sa may Bungsang Lai beach. So, doon na lang muna kami mag-chill. So, guys, maliligo tayo. Kanina tayo. Alay! Alay!
Saw her at the terminal with a sign close and personal. To see your face light up. She's a light in structure. I'm not careful up by one guy chasing out the sunrise from the city to Taluga. Don't just let it don't just steal a thunder. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my light. I don't say you just fly right on and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Butterflies, I'm turning gold. Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yeah, so ambivalent when it's time with you? It's so innocent. Through the sky on the
Scary.
back of a backseat. Now we can go and let's with the light. Supernovas blow up, gotta get it closer. Even if I host it, don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. Don't say you just fly right on and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on. We gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Wake up at the right time. Looking at my light. Don't say you just fly right on and on. We gotta keep it up.
Lechon for lunch. Oh my God. Kain.
Baby, take your time. You got your whole life. Faith in the sky. On and on. We gotta keep it up.
Hi.
We gotta keep it
Good morning guys. So, magmi-mini hike kami magpipinsan ngayon. So, it's already 6:30 in the morning. Yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung ano yung name ng pagpupuntahan namin. Pero sabi nila, maganda daw yung view doon. So, yeah. Let's go. Ang maganda nagpipilit. Good morning, Carabao.
¿Qué pa?
kaya. Wow. Oh my God. Kita na. Dagat sa alon. So guys, after almost 10 minutes of walking, nandito na kami sa may Pangpang View Deck. So ayun, ginawan ko talaga siya ng pangalan. Yan, ang ganda. There's the Snake Island or the Minalayo Island. So ayan, hindi na kami nakapunta dyan kahapon kasi sobrang maalon. Hindi kaya, and I think maalon din today. And the weather is medyo nagpapadya siya. So, ayan. Dapat dito kami magsa-sunrise kanina. Kaso, hindi rin kaya kasi yung weather is still not okay. Pero ang ganda. I love it. By the way guys, dito pala ako nag-kinder before. Ayan, ito yung elementary school dito. Pero iba na yung itsura niya. Hello mga ka-roar, update. So it's already 5 PM no? Almost 5 na in the afternoon. So yun, bumalik kami dito sa may beachfront. So magsaswimming kami na lang kasi cancel yung papunta namin ng Masbate today kasi ang alon. Pero dito sa may side na to dito, hindi naman maalon, pero sa kabila dun daw kasi yung maalon and mahirap na isugal. So diba, syempre safety first, pero kailangan namin umalis ng maaga mamaya. I mean tomorrow, as in early morning, kasi yung flight ko is 7 AM pabalik ng Manila. Tapos yung mga cousins ko may pasok na sila ng 6. So yeah guys, update ko na lang kayo if anong mangyayari for tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, nalagyan yung ano, yung money natin. Yung money. Hi guys, pati Taylor. Ano, apelido mo? Taylor, G. Oliver.
Puling! Sabi mo, baka mapuling ako.
Ay, kaya kay Basi, mapuling ako!
Ah, sa'yo baka!
Tayo ko ba? Dali!
Chicken tinola and ano yan?
Karigmata.
Karigmata.
Since our flight got cancelled last night, we decided to take a bus from Bulan Sorsogon to Manila. So from here is just 2 hours boat ride to Bulan Sorsogon, then a bus from Bulan to Manila. So guys, we were lucky enough since there is a bus that leaves at exactly 10 AM. And yeah, it's gonna be a 13 hours bus ride from Bulan to Manila. So good luck to us. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching as always. I know our visit is a bit short here in Masbate, but I promise next time I'm gonna tour you guys around Masbate. So see you guys on the next vlog. Love you!